Alright, so this is how I take a shower. And I've made a video on this. I think it might even be the very first video I made on YouTube, is how I made this water chamber. I made this one small to fit in my cabinet in the back of my truck. You can make this longer if you'd like. I have one tied to my roof rack right now. It's about 6 feet long that I gotta make. This was more just to do dishes and stuff, and have pressurized water for that. But I've been using it for a shower lately, and it's been really nice. Okay, next. This is a 12-volt tire pump, air compressor. I take this side, plug it into my jackery. I gotta plug my fridge in so my stuff doesn't go bad. I forget to do that every now and then. Sweet. That is how I shower out in the boonies. My next design on that's gonna be a little bit better. I'm gonna do another video on that. This is wild, absolutely wild. I am literally on the ridge of a mountain right now. The top of this mountain is the exact same size as the road. You see this? And do you see what's over here? This is absolutely crazy. This road is so small. We're on the very top of this mountain. That's the cliff, the edge of the road. This is wild.
What's your baby doing, eh?
Johannes. Now that my car is running, my jackery now has an input of 90.
Hey, what's up? We have a little bit of, now it's pork, but we're using a little bit of steak seasoning. The main seasoning though is Cajun. It's called Slap Ya Mama. So we're gonna go ahead and slap your mama real quick.
If we got we got Mike out here slapping mamas.
A little bit of garlic powder. And we only put the garlic powder on this side, not the other side. Now, what we do is we show it some love. We're gonna get in there and give it a nice massage.
We're gonna take it out of the salon. We're gonna wrap it with the tin foil.
We're gonna wait for the hour-and-a-half long fire to kind of calm down a little bit to the coals. Super windy today, so we're actually gonna cook it right inside the pit. We kind of dug it out before. Anyway, bottom line is in about an hour 15 minutes or so after putting this on the grill, we're gonna pull it out and it's gonna be
ridiculous.
It's a process though. I mean, how long ago did we start that fire?
A while ago.
Hour and a half?
Yeah, a while
Hour ago.
It's worthwhile.
Perfect. You have one? He's got a metal grate over there.
Just a thing. Oh my goodness.
No. Jesus didn't do this, Ron. I did this.
All right, so the full rack ribs has been on there for about an hour, almost. What we're gonna do now is just cut open the top, strip out the tin foil, and let it kind of like dry roast the rest of the way. This? You're not ready for this. Oh my god. Oh my god. You know, you never know when you do something like this, honestly. So this is the first time we're doing this. Oh, man. This looks pretty baller, I'm not gonna lie.
Impressive. Do you see how beautiful this rack of ribs is right here?
Oh, stop it, it's nothing.
Man, how?
So up, go, up.
It's winter than hell up here, so bear with me. But we are at Bryce's Point. This is Bryce's Point trailhead. It goes down into that crazy terraforming down there. Get up close. Bumming me out. I can't talk to my camera. I gotta like hide my camera in my jacket like a creeper. Crazy, man. Utah has the craziest terraforming, I swear. Blows my mind. Never been to Bryce before. Lived in Utah all my life and I've never come to this place. This is definitely on top of my list now, which is hard to beat in Utah because Utah has a lot of beautiful places. I'll be heading back down south tomorrow though to Coral Pink Sand Dunes for the night. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. The Patreons that I have, thank you so much for what you've given to the channel. It's every dollar counts. I am trying to upgrade my filming gear and you know, just a little extra money in the pocket helps this channel out a long way. Appreciate you guys so much. Subscribers, thank you for coming back. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. Follow the nomads around. I live out of my truck full time. I just travel around Utah. So if you like that kind of content, hit the subscribe button.